and immune support, non-GMO, gluten-free in cold-pressed olive oil, most active form. Naturewise vitamin D3 in certified organic olive oil helps to support teeth and bone health, provide immune support, and promote healthy muscle function. Product note: exposure to heat or sunlight may lead to melting/damage of product. Hence, customers are expected to be available during the product delivery. Essential vitamin: our formula delivers the same biologically active form of vitamin D produced by the body as a result of sun exposure. Without exposure to sun rays, get your daily dose. The Vitamin D Council recommends 5,000 IU vitamin D daily for adults to achieve and maintain optimal levels. Supports the body's ability to maintain good bone health. Highest potency: our vitamin D 5,000 IU soft gels are easy to swallow. Some research indicates that vitamin D3 in liquid soft gel form is more bioavailable than powdered or tablet forms. No artificial additives, pure and natural. These vitamin D3 immune support and bone health supplements are gluten-free and non-GMO. Third-party tested for purity and potency. Packaging may vary due to high demand. Same great product and ingredients. Directions: it's normal for gel capsules to get soft and stick together under warm weather conditions, hardening into clumps when they return to a cool room temperature. This does not affect the quality or efficacy of the ingredients inside the capsule. To release the clumps, give your bottle a good shake or knock it against the counter, then gently pull apart any remaining clumps. During the summer months, products may arrive warm, but Amazon stores and ships products in accordance with manufacturer's recommendations. When